Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. As we know, beginning of the years is the time for the taxes, and if you're investing in trading 212, we need to generate tax statement from this platform where we invest our money in shares. And today I want to show how to get this tax statement and how to generate a list of all dividends what you got in your previous year. So let's start. First, you can look on the official documentation of Trading 212. So like you see, how to get annual tax statement for the financial year. We have information how to do this in a mobile phone. So very simple, tap on menu tab, documents, statement, annual statements, and like we see, we have prepared documents what we can download. The same is for the web app, so go to menu, documents, annual statements, and you can get your statements. So like you see on the images. Now I show you on my accounts. So push button on your button where you have email. From this menu, go to documents. And like you see, I have annual statement for 2022, 2023. And you can simply click on it and download this statement. Very simple. Now you can send this document for your accountant. If you have dividends, you need send another file with list of all your dividends what you got from this platform. So to do this, go to menu, the same menu what we used to generate tax statement. So push on this button, go to section history, go to section dividends, push this button with arrow to download all dividends from past year. Select time frame from 1st of January to December. Okay, 1st January to the end of the year. So December, last day of December. Include data. We need to select everything and push button export CSV. Now it's processing. When this will be done, you see this information and push button to download. And that's all. You have all information from Trading 212, and now you can send to your accountant. If you have any question about this topic, put this question below this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.